Hey loves, welcome back to Coils and Cakes with Larry, where I teach you how to love your natural hair exquisitely. So today, what do we do with this hair? What do we do? I think this is a perfect style for day 3 of the 5 days of Christmas challenge. Yay! Merry Christmas! We are looking bomb. Let's get into it. So first we moisturize. I know I have taught you how to moisturize your hair. If you don't know yet how to do it, I have a video on that. I'll link it up. So I'm just patting my hair so that I can work with it easily. Working in sections is the best way to do it when you're working with natural hair, or else you'll get frustrated. Trust you me, you will get frustrated if you don't work with simple small sections. So yes. Also, if you're new, hi, karibu, welcome to the family, welcome to the channel. Feel free to look around, feel free to subscribe, tell your friends about this amazing channel, because honey, we are doing amazing stuff up in here. So what I'm doing here is just putting away this section, because that will be the last part to work with, so that I can work with the rest of my hair. Like I told you, work in sections. If you don't do that, your hair is going to frustrate you. And other thing with natural hair, it tends to tangle, so embrace the tangles, but then work with sections, work with moisturized hair, work with detangled hair. It doesn't have to be 100% detangled, but try as much as possible to detangle your hair. And if you want a video on how I detangle my hair, please comment down in the comment section. Also guys, thank you for the love that you've shown me so far. We are growing, people are commenting, people are loving the Vlogmas, the 5 days of Christmas challenge. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. So I have parted my hair in approximately 3 sections, and right about now my hands are tired, because my hair keeps on tangling, and it's a hassle. But then you have to be patient. If you're not a patient person, then natural hair is not for you, honey. But you learn because our hair it's amazing. Quick shameless plug: if you're not following me on Instagram yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. My Instagram is rocking, so just hop in there, Miss_Larry, follow me, see my pictures, see my reels, see my IGTVs, comment, like, give me love, okay? Thank you. For this style, I've only spritzed my hair with water because I had moisturized my hair earlier, so I didn't have to do the whole process of using the liquid, the oil and the cream, because my hair is already moisturized. I'm only spritzing it with water so that it's easier to shape, and also I'm training it as I shape it with my hands. And then we unravel this little matuta and just pin it down, and we are good. Simple, cute styles for Christmas, honey. Simple, cute styles for what? Christmas. Merry Christmas. I love you guys. Please subscribe, leave a comment, give this video a like, because honey, we are serving the looks, we are serving the tea when it comes to the Christmas looks. right? Alright, hands. See you tomorrow for 5 days of Christmas Day 4. Yes, yes, yes. We are on the right track. Yes. Okay, thank you guys. I love you so much. Take care. Mwah.